Hey you guys, welcome back to another Cooking with CJ tutorial brought to you by the Suffolk Center for Cultural Arts. In today's video, CJ is whipping up another special treat for you guys. Alright, CJ is going to take it over right now. See you guys soon. Alright guys, here's what we are going to need. Strawberries, whipped cream, dessert shells, graham cracker crumbs, which is optional, and a plate. Make sure you have a cutting tool. Cut the leaf from the strawberry. Then you're just going to slice the strawberries. Take the top off of your whipped cream. Add the whipped cream to your plate. Open your dessert shells. And then you are going to put them onto your plate. Take your graham cracker crumbs, then you are going to add them onto the shells. This part is optional. You do not have to use the graham cracker crumbs. It was just an ingredient we had on hand and we thought it would be fun to use. We added whipped cream onto the shells. We had it on video, but the video somehow got lost. So here's a photo of the whipped cream on the shells. Alright, now you're just going to add your strawberries on top. This is what it'll look like, and you are all done. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.